Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to design the platform foundation for our hydraulic claw. So the part seen here at the very bottom of our hydraulic claw. So let's go ahead and get going. Come on up here and let's start a new design. We're going to come on over here and create a new sketch. And we're going to be using inches for this, so make sure your document settings are in inches here. So make sure it says inches. And then we're going to come on up here to create, and we're going to create a center rectangle. And we want this rectangle to have dimensions 10. I'm going to type in 10. I'm going to hit the tab button, 10 again, and hit enter. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and delete these construction lines here. And I'm going to add some fillets on the corner here. And I want these fillets to be 0.5 inches. And I'm going to do that for every corner. And hit enter. All right, so when we're done, we have something like this, and then I'm going to make some circles here that are, let's see here, 0.11 inches, because we are later going to be adding M3 bolts to these holes, and 0.11 inches should be about the perfect size to accommodate those M3 bolts. And then we're going to add another hole 0.11 inches right here, and we're going to dimension this guy. From this distance, we want it to be 2 inches, and from this side, we want it to be 1.25 inches. Okay, let's go ahead and finish our sketch. We are pretty much done. And then we're going to go ahead and extrude this. And for all parts for this claw, all laser cut parts at least, they're going to be 1.25 inches thick. Excuse me, 0.125 inches thick, or 1/8 of an inch. So go ahead and select OK. Okay, so when you're done, hopefully you have something that looks like that. All right, next thing we're going to do is we're going to start a sketch here, and we got to turn these holes into countersink holes. So I'm going to come to create, and we're going to put a point right here at the center of each hole that we created earlier, and then hit finish sketch. And then we're going to create holes here, there, and there, and we're going to create a countersink hole for some countersink screws. We want this distance right here. We want that distance to be 0.11 inches. All right, and let's see here. This distance right here, we want it to be 0.22. And then the depth, the thickness of our material, which is 1/8 of an inch, or 0.125 inches. And then go ahead and select OK. Okay, so now we have these countersink holes for some countersink bolts, which we will add later. Okay. And the last thing we're going to do is to give this thing a physical material and appearance here. So I'm going to come on over here to appearance. I'm going to come on down to plastic, and I'm going to find, let's see here, or let's come on down to transparent, and we're going to do acrylic red, and we're going to drag it over to there and hit close. Okay, so now that we have this thing here, it's acrylic plastic, because that's what we're actually going to make this hydraulic claw out of, is acrylic 1/8 inch thick plastic. Okay, so once you've done all that, you are done. Go ahead and save it, and we'll call it platform foundation for our hydraulic claw, and then go ahead and select save. All right, once you're done, that'll do it for this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.